Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum. Length is 60 plus 80 plus 60, 200. Width is 100 and height is 70. But if you see, we are doing scale 1:2. So that means we have to take all dimensions, divide by 2. Now here I am marking 40, 20, 10. Now remember, I am taking everything half. And I am drawing horizontal line, like parallel lines at 30 degree. See this. After this, I need to draw this part. How much is this? 10, 40, 10, 60. So I will take 30. Then I will draw vertical line. Then here is 20, 40, 20. But if you see, it's 40, right? So I need to mark 10, 20, 10. So I have made a mistake, which I will correct it. But you need to be very careful when you're doing such kind of sums, especially in scale. So always double check your dimensions. See, here I have to take 20, that is 10. Go down. Again from here I will take 20, that is 10, and I will draw this. And from here we'll draw this line. After that, see, now it is done. From here I will extend this line. Then I have to go down by 10, that is 20. That will do. Now I will take this behind. How much I have to go behind? 100. That is 50. So take all these lines behind by 50. After that, from here you draw vertical line. See, you extend this behind. Whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, there is a vertical line over here, as well as from here 60, 80, 60. And I'll draw this front part. After that, I need to take this down, and that is 40 down, that is 20. Extend behind, you'll get part like this. So we are done with the structure. From here also you extend, and from here you extend. You draw a vertical line, and from here you go behind. So this is how it will appear. Now you take 10, 10 on both the sides. And from here you take again 10, 10, that is 5, 5. And you draw that line, so you'll get that slot. After that, you take this line down, again go down by 20 height, so that is 10, and you draw this slot. One more line down here. So now we are done with this sum. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you. This is copying isometric.